Today we are back out in Walsh and we are getting into the single story with a 3-car garage, 2,800 square feet by GFO. And I'm excited to take a look at this one. This thing has just been recently reduced $60,000, so let's take a look.
Holy moly, look at how wide these halls are.
And the ceilings are tall.
Very tall.
Like that.
This needs some chandeliers and some art on the walls, and I think it'd be fabulous.
It's definitely a blank canvas for sure. So right off of here is a room. It's all right size, I would say. 11 by 11 probably.
Yeah, it's plenty big enough. It's got some good windows, high ceilings in here.
Now it has a Jack and Jill, but one of those that you have your sinks and closet in the room itself, and then you share the wet area.
Got a pretty good sized closet though. Kind of goes around, not bad. And then there's the wet area, and then
it's got a tub and shower.
Tub and shower, very good. Okay.
It is cramped.
It is cramped. It's got so many doors.
And then here is the other bedroom. It's identical as the other one. Now what I like about this particular location is you got a corner lot, which is nice.
Yeah, so you'll get a little bit more yard with that. So let's head on out.
Liking the floors. And then look at here. You've got the ceiling drops down like 2 feet once you get in this portion. So this would be the kind of mud area, but it doesn't have a mud room.
Yeah, you could put your own bench right there with no problem.
Yeah.
And then the garage is right there, and then you have a
coat closet. Okay, laundry area. Look at these tile, this tile. It's like old school 12 inch by 12 inch.
It is, and then you've got a place for your fridge.
Yeah.
Nice folding area. Okay, very good.
Then across you've got the same thing. You've got a full bath.
Missing the
toilet seat.
toilet seat, so.
We can negotiate that in.
I'm pretty sure we could. And
don't worry. We are so good. We'll get you that toilet seat. And here you got just a regular closet. The rooms seem to be all about the same size on the smaller side, but that's what you get with a 2,800 square foot kind of single story.
And that room had wood floors and the other two had carpet.
That's true.
And then you come around and here.
I like the placement of this office. It's weird that they have carpet in
here,
the office.
Yeah, I agree.
You got the 3 nice windows. I like the size of this. It's a nice office. I put my desk right here, kind of deal, TV.
Gotta have that TV.
I'm always, hey, you gotta have news on and all that stuff. Figure out what's going on in the world. All right, here is the kitchen. What are you thinking?
It's a nice kitchen. It's a good size island.
Yeah.
They didn't take the cabinets all the way up, but that's not always necessary either.
Holy cow.
It's got a good size
Yeah,
snack
that's
closet,
Costco approved.
Yeah.
As far as the kitchen is concerned, what you have to understand is with this price point, this is a different price point than we usually do. So with that, you're obviously not gonna have, you miss the kind of, you're gonna miss like the transom, kitchen cabinets. The cabinets aren't gonna be the same necessarily quality, but I mean, they're nice, not soft close.
But then you've got a double oven, which is a
you've got a double oven, so you've got some things. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is a nice house. Yeah, I like it. So
huge dining area behind you.
It's a great. I love all the windows coming off of here. This is perfect. I do like that. And then your living area. What do you think about this fireplace? I wish they would carry that all the way up. I don't understand why they don't.
I don't know. I don't think everybody. Maybe they get a lot of people that don't want it all the way up, so they're just.
You guys let us know in the comments below. Would you want your tile? It doesn't have to be this house. I'm just saying in general. Do you like it when they bring the tile all the way up? All right.
I mean, without the tile there, it is easier to put a TV mount and all of that. You know, you don't have to drill through tile. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I couldn't tell you.
No, that's a good point. You've got the sliders, which is a nice upgrade. And then here is your lot. Wow.
Oh, I like that they put that wood up on the ceiling too. That's pretty.
Look at this side yard. This is big.
Oh, it's huge. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it goes all the way down there.
So there's a lot you could do with this house. So I like that. And for this price, I mean, this is,
Yes, it's priced very reasonably.
like I said, it's just recently reduced $60,000. So that brings the price, just so you know, we'll just call it $700,000. It's $10 less than that, but.
All right, well, let's take a look at this primary. Got some.
Oh, carpet in the primary.
Yeah, that's very interesting. A lot of people like carpet. It keeps your feet nice and warm and things.
No, I don't mind it. It's just interesting where they pick and choose to put it in.
Yeah, I like the tall ceilings, and the 3 windows up above is cool.
Yeah, no, that is a
bathroom
nice.
needs so much more light.
Yes, I was gonna say this feels a little dark.
I know,
You've
you
got a
need
nice-
light above the mirrors and stuff so you can get ready.
You've got a nice double kind of soaking tub. Yeah, you're right. They do have lights there, but they're not very bright. Okay, but split vanities like that. You've got this kind of beachfront, I call it shower.
Yeah, I do like these. I like that the handle's right here,
Yeah.
so you can turn it on and let it get warm.
Without getting all wet.
Yeah, I think that this would also kind of keep the heat in a little bit, even though it doesn't have the door there.
And you could put a door in there if you really wanted to.
Yeah.
I know that's a hot button ticket for you. And then the closet is generous in size, but not overly crazy. But good for this, you know, size home. Like I said, it's 2,800 square feet, single story. And you get quite a bit of backyard and side yard with that single story. Usually you don't, you know?
Yeah.
So anyway, there you have it, guys. What do you guys think about this GFO home? What do you think about this price point? $700,000, just reduced $60,000. Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't done so, subscribe to our channel. We put out new tours every single day at 5 p.m. And if you have real estate needs in 2026 and you would love the help of Andy and Patrice, we're here for you. We absolutely love it. Best way to do that is just hit that dream home form. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.